Hey everyone, Joe Lawrence at Business Credit Workshop, and in this 7-part series, I'm sharing with you the 7 steps that are required to obtain business lines of credit and business credit cards in today's market. And this is video number 2 in the series, step 2, which is to make your company business credit ready. There are some steps that you have to take now that you have your company set up, and if you implement that, it's going to be a lot easier to get business funding. Okay, so make your company business credit ready. What does that really mean? Well, you want to present your company in such a way that banks are willing to lend to you. That makes sense, right? So one of the things that you want to do is actually make sure that your business has its own business landline. You don't want to run the business off your cell phone. It's okay if you forward the calls to your cell phone, but if you don't pick up on the cell phone, it should go back to the main professional voicemail. So have professional voicemail set up. What I mean by that is just state your company name, state your hours of operation. Okay, it could be real simple, it could be real straightforward, but you want to have a local number. 800 numbers are okay, but I do prefer local numbers because we're going to be getting money from local community banks and credit unions, and they like to lend to their local area. So you get your phone number, and then make sure that phone number is listed. 411 is not the only site that you want to get listed on. When you're listing on these other sites like Yellow Pages, Super Pages, Manta, Express Update, all of these sites, you want to make sure that you're very consistent with the way you list your company information, name, address, phone number of the business. You want to have all these listings done so that when a underwriter, when a banker Googles your company, they need to actually see that you have an online presence. And you need to pick an address for your business, a physical address for your business. You can't use a virtual address for the main physical address of your business. You could use a shared office address, as long as you had signage and it's a real office and you really do work there. Or you could just use your home address and add a suite. So if it's 123 Main Street is your home address, you could always add Suite 1 or Suite A or something like that. Don't use a UPS box, don't use a virtual address as your main physical address. You can use that as a shipping address or a mailing address, but you do need a main physical address of where you actually work at. Which brings me to my next bullet point for step number 2, which is to buy the website or domain name for your company. So if your company is ABC Management, see if abcmanagement.com is available. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact, but you want to have something professional. Now this step is not necessarily a requirement. However, when you're applying for business credit, there's no reason to skip some of these steps. When it only takes an extra few hours, the overall package that you're presenting to the bank, you want to have as many things on your side to help you get approved. Hopefully that makes sense. So ideally, set up your domain name. Set it up, you can use Wix, you could use GoDaddy, you could use Namecheap, lots of different services out there that are relatively inexpensive, anywhere from free to $10 a year. Okay, and there's some more expensive options out there too, you could go way beyond that. But make sure you have your professional, like info@abcmanagement.com or joe@abcmanagement.com. So have a professional domain name, professional website. The website, it could just be one page, it could be basic, or it could be a 3-page website with a home, about us, and a contact page. You don't have to put extreme amount of energy into the website, but if you get the service, if you get your company listed on Google My Business on GMB, they actually offer you a free website. And that website's really good. It takes the logo of your company, the reviews that your company has, a little small blurb about your company, the name, address, phone number, contact information of your company, and it actually just, boom, it just creates it for you. You type it all in, it creates it. So I really like the websites that Google My Business offers, especially the free version. I think it's great. And you could also go through GoDaddy or Wix. So that's it for step 2, make your company business credit ready. Once you finish watching this video, you move on to video 3 in the series. If you like this video, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And please subscribe to the videos. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Also, if you need all these steps in writing, I do have a free report, which you could download at businesscreditworkshop.net. That's businesscreditworkshop.net. You can download the free report and you can see all the 7 steps listed out for you in more detail. All right, thanks for watching. The next video, we're going to talk about networking with local banks and credit unions. Stay tuned.